This video will show you how to uncover the FS5 spectrofluorimeter for service access. First, remove the sample cassette by pressing the button and pulling. Make sure that the instrument is switched off before continuing. Remove the black screws on either end of the instrument as shown using an Allen key. There are 2 screws on one side and 3 screws on the other. Next, remove the black screws located inside the area where the cassette was. There is 1 screw on the left and 1 screw on the right. To remove the white cover, pull it towards you and lift upwards. Before removing it completely, detach the grounding cable as shown. Now, 2 people can carefully lift off the cover.